Okay, so this is no different. Again, card number 14, we're told to factor. Okay, we're given that this is one of the factors. So we're going to start out sort of the same way here. A compartment with 3 spots. I've got an x plus 4 here. I've got an x cubed plus 0x squared minus 13x plus 12. As we normally do, we put the first term up here, and that's an x squared. An x squared times 4 is 4x squared. Now, together, this and this give me nothing. So this has got to be a minus 4x squared. Okay, x goes into here. It's a minus 4x. That and that give me a negative 16x. Well, that and what will give me negative 13. I need a positive 3x to be able to subtract 16 to still have negative 13. It's positive, so this is a plus 3. 3 times 4 is 12, and so we see that that actually goes in evenly. And what I want to remind us is that this is a factor, x plus 4. And what we have left, we are told, will also factor. This then simply, you need to do a diamond problem if you need to. That's a 3 on top, a negative 4 on the bottom. Two numbers that multiply together to get 3 and add together to get negative 4 is a negative 3 and a negative 1. That'll multiply to get a positive and add together to get this. This is the shorter factored version, so we can go straight from here to the factors without going to the grouping. So this is an x minus 3 and an x minus 1. That gives you kind of the same thing. Let's do something similar over here. The fact that we have an x squared minus 1, we're going to factor that kind of like we've done that in the past with the 3. I've got 4 compartments here. I've got the, but I've got actually 3 wide here, interestingly enough. So this is x squared plus 0x minus 1. And across the bottom, I've got the x to the 4th power plus 0x cubed minus 2x squared plus 0x plus 1. There's my x to the 4th power from here. That's an x squared. X squared times 0 is 0x to the 3rd, and this is a minus 1x squared. Together, these are going to give me this. Well, that's nothing, and so is this, so there's a lot more nothing. Okay, 0x is what goes there. That times this is going to give me a 0x squared, and this times this is a 0x. So together, these 3 boxes are now going to give me this minus 2x squared. Well, there's a minus 1 and nothing else. A minus another 1x squared is going to give me that. So up here, this is a minus 1. We end up with the 0x here. We end up with the negative 1, positive 1 there. So it matches. Those match to get this. These match to get that. This is an extra spot like we had before. Since they're told to factor this, I've got an x squared minus 1. That's actually factorable. X plus 1 and x minus 1. And this is what was left. And I don't know if you recognize it, but that's in fact exactly the same thing. So that factors to be another x plus 1 and another x minus